Are you struggling to get AdSense approval for your blog? Don't worry, you're not alone. AdSense. Great way to monetize your blog and earn money from your content, but getting approved can be a challenge, especially if you don't know what you're doing. To increase your chances of getting approved, you need to apply some SEO techniques to your content. Start by researching keywords that have a high search volume but low competition. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, and SEMrush to find these keywords. Then, make sure to include them in your blog posts, titles, and meta description. Next, focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Make sure your blog posts are well-written, informative, and engaging. Finally, be patient. AdSense approval can take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't get approved right away. Keep working on improving your content and applying SEO techniques, and you'll get there eventually. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to getting AdSense approval for your blog in no time. Check the link in the description for more details.